We got this pre-loved Jonathan figure on sale. We cleaned some parts with acetone, but it needs a base to stand on. We're using recycled wood as a base. Drilled a hole and inserted a piece of barbecue stick as a peg for the feet. We first sculpted the wooden base by using water stop. It is available at any hardware store. Applied cornstarch on a piece of leather to flatten the base, and so it won't stick to the tools and gloves. We'll do a separate video on sculpting because we lost video file on this one. After the sculpt has air cured for 7 hours, we painted it with gray. Used a dry brush, dipped the tip in light gray acrylic, and gently painted over the base. After dipping the tip of the brush in paint, make sure you wipe off the excess paint on a rag. We also applied a wash of black in the crack. A wash is a paint mixed with a lot of water. It's thinner and best used for shading. It doesn't have to be even, we just need to bring out the texture and roughness of the stone floor. We'll be using flat clear coat after this to protect the paint and make sure the highlights blend in with the gray paint. Just make sure to spray outdoors and wear a mask. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.